Did you know LG TV's AI algorithm heightens sound quality depending on the scene? Let's learn how to set it up. Find the Settings button on your remote and press it. When you see the menu list on the left, find All Settings. Select General and find the AI Service menu. Turn on AI Sound Pro for a service that analyzes content with deep learning and brings you custom sound based on what you're watching or playing. If you also turn on AI Acoustic Tuning, the TV will analyze your space and to immerse you in high-quality sound. Now you can enjoy sound customized for whatever you're watching or playing.
If you spend a day wandering around the city, you'll be able to feel like you're experiencing a whole different culture around every corner.
This is it. This is ThinQ AI, LG's intelligent assistant. All from your TV. All powered by your voice.